The design of bearings is mostly considered with the amount of load that they must carry and the speeds at which they operate. However, from a maintenance point of view, it is more important that you are familiar with the various types of bearings used commonly in all industries. Let's first consider the plain bearings, sometimes called bushings. Plain bearings are mostly designed to carry radial loads, and typical applications are in equipment that has limited space, such as internal combustion engine camshafts, propeller shaft supports on large ships, and many electromechanical devices, to mention but a few. A commonly used variation of a plain bearing is the split or shell type bearing, used very extensively in automotive engines and reciprocating compressors. Shell type bearings are relatively simple to replace and take up very little space in a component. Materials commonly used in the manufacture of plain bearings are phosphor bronze and modern synthetic materials. After the discussion break, we shall take a look at rolling type bearings.